Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney.
Hello, my friends, and thank you so much for tuning back in. So, if you have read the post about this wedding just this week, hopefully we've gotten it to 100 thumbs up so you guys can see the beautiful wedding that took place for our 2018 bride. Until then, let's get started in this video. All right, my friends, so 1 week I just had to get away and breathe away from the wedding. I absolutely had to. And also, I wanted to look at some of the decorations that some of my favorite stores had. So I wanted to catch some of the fall decor and looking at the Christmas decoration. So I was checking out, home goods, pumpkins and stuff that they have. I love this one that says count your blessings. However, I am looking for something that says Tisha. This plate is cute. It's very, very cute. But I am looking for something that I don't have to do any decoration with. So I have found out in this area that wherever there is a Home Goods, there is a Hobby Lobby. Now, I Googled this area and friends, I was so lost. I was like, where did Google take me? Where have she did? I mean, what did she do to me? But my friends, I did have a splendid time in here and they have some absolutely stunning stuff. You guys know I do not like runners, but that is very beautiful. Check out this glitzy fall letters. They are so beautiful. And I am really, really in love with this pumpkin. It's so gorgeous. I like it better than the one I seen over the Home Goods. I really do. And the plates that they have, I love the fact that it says thankful, and some of it has some silver, some of it has some gold in it. But like I said before, I am looking for something that says Tisha. So let me know down below where I can find some beautiful plates for this season and also for Christmas. Now check this out. This is so cute. It has morning pumpkin and it has good gravy. That is so cute. I really love it. And also, friends, for everyone that's new, I am a ornament lover. I love sparkly and beautiful ornaments, and I love to mix and match them up, meaning I love to mix up my gold and my silvers. I'm not afraid of doing that, and these are absolutely beautiful. Check out these pink and gold ones. That is just so cute. So I went over here to the single ornaments, and these are beautiful as well. The only thing I don't like about this, the single ones is that they're much more higher, but look at those. Those are so beautiful. Check out that white one, almost like a teardrop. Those are very beautiful. I like these. I'm not into the owls and stuff like that, but hey, if you're looking for some, there you go. So I love to check out the things that they have in the middle aisles because that's where they put their best stuff. Look at that deer. It is too cute. It's too cute, but it does not blend in with my home decor. You guys check out this snowflake. Oh, too stunning. Look at this tree right here. Too cute. And I think it's not shatterproof, so you guys know that I really have to have stuff that's shatterproof. So I'm still looking around for some things that I would not end up breaking. So to all my people that are gold lovers, and I know I have a lot of them on here, these are some absolutely beautiful trees that you can just blend in with your decor. I mean, these are gorgeous as well. OMGoodness. There we go, Shatterproof, and it was pink. Beautiful. Check it out. Oh my goodness, you guys, these are so beautiful, but I am not gonna pink my house out, okay? I'm not gonna do it, I promise you guys. So tell me, guys, what you think that we have seen in the store thus far. We will do another shop with me, because remember, we want to go all out this season. Here goes some more items up here. Look at that one. That is very, very beautiful. Shatterproof as well. Thumbs up. And I'm only 5 feet, so I try to get it as much as I can, as much footage of the top ones as much as I can. And I love this one. It's very unique and odd, and I'm really digging that. That's very, very gorgeous. And I'm still looking, and I think all of these are like shatterproof. Now, friends, look at this and tell me what you think. And guess what? I think I found a twin. LOL. I had so much fun this day. It was so cool. I mean, I really had a blast, and it really took my mind off a lot of stuff. So let me know down below what you all like out of these stores, or you have been in some stores and like, hey Tisha, this store has this store has that. So let's go all the way out this season. So if you're new to our channel, guess what? Yes, just be fabulous. You will feel better. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Click that face to subscribe, and blessings abundantly.